Welcome. Today, I want to share a simple yet powerful method to help you focus your mind and bring your goals closer to reality. It's called the 369 method, inspired by the ideas of Nikola Tesla, who believed that numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold special significance in the universe.
Here's how it works. In the morning, write your intention or goal 3 times. In the afternoon, write it 6 times. In the evening, write it 9 times.
Your goal can be anything, from personal growth, career success, or even daily habits.
The key is to write slowly, with intention, and really feel what you are writing.
This repetition helps your mind stay aligned with your goal. It builds clarity, focus, and quiet confidence. Remember, the 369 method is not magic. It's a gentle tool to program your subconscious mind, combined with consistent effort and mindful action.
So take a few moments today and start your practice 3 in the morning, 6 in the afternoon, 9 at night.
Over time, you'll notice small shifts in your focus, your energy, and the way you move toward your goals. Start today, calmly, intentionally, mindfully. Your journey begins with a single thought, written with care.